Unveiling the Phrase, lend your voice. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, lend your voice. It's a phrase that you might come across in various contexts, and understanding it can really enrich your English comprehension. So, let's dive in. Lend your voice is an idiomatic expression. At its core, it means to offer support or express an opinion. When you lend something, you temporarily give it to someone else. Similarly, when you lend your voice to a cause or a discussion, you're temporarily offering your support or opinion to help or influence it. This phrase can be used in a variety of contexts. For instance, 1. Social and political causes. If you're advocating for a social issue, lending your voice could mean speaking at a rally or participating in a campaign. 2. Group discussions and meetings. In meetings, lending your voice can simply mean contributing your ideas or opinions. 3. Artistic and creative projects. In the arts, lending your voice could be literal, like contributing vocals to a song, or figurative, like supporting a project through promotion or collaboration. Let's see how this phrase works in sentences. 1. She lent her voice to the environmental campaign by writing articles about it. 2. During the team meeting, everyone lent their voice to brainstorm the new project. 3. He lent his voice to the chorus in the community musical. And that's a wrap on the phrase, lend your voice. It's a powerful expression that signifies support, contribution, and participation. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.